And what do you see? You see a Congress party poster in the heart of Uttar Pradesh in Allahabad.
Right.
Do you see Rahul Gandhi there?
That's all right. Priyanka Gandhi Vadra is extremely popular.
Yeah,
And
so
she's a
is that the reason why Rahul Gandhi is doing this? So Arun
People
Jaitley
in the
is not
Congress
wrong.
party like her.
So
And that's perfectly
so Arun
fine.
Jaitley is not wrong when he's talking of a palace coup, is it?
No.
So we
coming somehow.
yes. So Sudhanshu Trivedi, 1 minute. Sudhanshu Trivedi, Mr. Trivedi. Yes, sir.
No, can I?
No, Mr. Trivedi wanted to come in on that. Yes, Mr. Trivedi.
Yes. What I was trying to refrain to saying, it is automatically coming out of the discussion from where the palace coup is coming. And the second thing, Mr. Rahul Gandhi is trying to have a discussion on communal violence. In the last 2 years, the two states who were biggest hit on communal violence were Assam and UP. One was represented by Dr. Manmohan Singh, Prime Minister, and another was represented by Rahul Gandhi.
Mr. Trivedi,
And
do you know that the
entire
last
was
violence
kept
in
mum.
Assam?
And the second thing, what
do you know
your
that a
visual is
commission of inquiry-
saying, and what Rahul
One minute, Mr.
Narvekar was
Trivedi,
saying,
do you know that
it
the commission
shows
of inquiry
that there was a
framed an
strategy planned
inflammatory
how to
speech
get Mr.
made by
Rahul
Mr.
Gandhi
Modi during
in
the
such a
campaign for the
situation.
killings in
I would
Assam.
like to conclude in one sentence.
Trivedi,
there is a difference.
Mr. Trivedi,
in
the
leadership
communal
required
violence in Assam
and
has been
leadership
created
in
by
force.
BJP MPs and by some inflammatory
Rahul
speeches
Gandhi
made
seems
by
to
your
be
current Prime Minister when he was
losing his
campaigning
grounds
during the
on
elections.
acquiring leadership. So
Stop being
his mother and the
disingenuous and don't
Congress
lie
party
to India.
somehow trying to
you are lying to the
impose
people
and
of India.
enforce leadership
Let's
on
take
them.
one more example.
And whenever the leadership
let's
is
take-
imposed
let's take-
on the
Mr.
pretext of young
Trivedi,
leaders,
so
Mr. Trivedi,
calm down.
find out what led to the
a young
communal
chief minister, the
violence in
youngest chief
Assam.
Gentlemen,
minister, the second
Sanjay,
youngest
just a
chief
Read
minute.
the
minister of Jammu
fact-finding
Kashmir.
commission
It is
inquiry
happening.
reports.
And what has
We-
happened
And look at what your
leadership of
BJP
Rahul
MPs have
Gandhi
been
of
talking
Congress.
in Assam.
What Sanjay Jha says tonight is that Rahul Gandhi is sincere, honest,
Absolutely.
believing, he is empathetic towards what's happening in about communal violence. He always feels
agree.
this way,
I
and he
agree.
carries this pain in his heart. And therefore, when he comes to the well of the house, the pain in Rahul Gandhi's heart suddenly wells up, and that forces him to go to the well of the house. Now, let's take a different example. Why are you getting impatient, Sunil Alak? Can't you hear a few nice things about Rahul Gandhi occasionally? Why do you get riled up about that? The question, therefore, is this:
I am.
No. I fully appreciate the concern of Rahul Gandhi.
Look, I want to say just two things. Just two things. One is, before you go, Arnab, I just want to say one or two things. Rahul Gandhi went to Masood's rally, who said, "Main Modi ka boti kar dunga." He's now suddenly becoming very great supportive of communal riots. One, on both occasions, when they got 44 seats, his mother told him, "Follow me." He didn't speak. Now he sits next to his
Mr.
mother.
Alok,
Mother says, "Move."
Mr.
He
Alok,
moves.
shall I
The
give you
mother is
the laundry
petrified of
list of
Priyanka coming in.
inflammatory speeches
He's following
made by
whatever
your
his mother
current
says.
Prime Minister?
Once you understand that,
Forget-
this debate will end.
Mr.
He
Rahul Gandhi
listens to his
condemned
mother.
Mr.
Full
Masood's
stop.
speech
Ladies
when he
and-
was a member of the Samajwadi Party.
ladies-
Can you please go and read the speeches made by your current Prime Minister in Gujarat when he was Chief Minister?
But he was there. He was
about
there
him.
at the rally.
I'm talking
not
about
worried
him.
about who was the party member. If he's supporting it, that's all I'm saying.
Mr. Alak, as a brand manager, you should know better.
Mr. Jawad,
Come on, yaar.
in the bottom right corner of the screen on the long shot, let's get the 8 boxes on it, is a gentleman called Rahul Narvekar, who is maintaining a studied silence today. And the reasons for this could be many, but I suspect one of the reasons for his studied silence is the fact that in his previous incarnation as a member of the Shiv Sena, he used to regularly, as part of his hobby, put Rahul Gandhi in the political shredder. Tonight, he therefore is not convinced about defending Rahul Gandhi. The question to Rahul Narvekar is, Rahul is the other Rahul a political opportunist? Because what happened during the Lokpal agitation? He didn't do anything for 4 months. The country was burning, and then he said, "Oh, let's just fortify this bill. Let's create a constitutional body like the Election Commission." When someone asked him, "Why didn't you come up with this great idea before?" he said the famous words. He said, "I like to think before I speak." Rahul Narvekar, is Rahul Gandhi a political opportunist?
Well, Arnab, let me
Is Rahul Gandhi a political opportunist? Don't weigh your words.
First and foremost, let me just
Don't weigh your words so much. Come on.
First and foremost, let me just remind you that I'm the spokesperson of the Nationalist Congress Party and not the Congress Party.
No, I said your
Therefore,
previous
my brief
avatar
is not
haunts
to
you.
defend Mr. Rahul Gandhi. So don't expect me to do that either. And be that as it may, and let me answer your question now. I am just looking at the facts as they stand today. Till date, I heard Arnab Goswami criticizing Rahul Gandhi because he thought he was ineffective in parliament, he did not speak out in parliament, and that's why he was criticized. Today when Rahul Gandhi makes an effort to voice his concern in the parliament, Arnab Goswami has a problem with that also.
No, Mr. Narvekar, you know my problem. You know what the problem is? No, 1 second. Nobody has a problem with Rahul Gandhi speaking. In fact, it would be, no, Mr. Narvekar, nobody has a problem with Rahul Gandhi speaking. In fact, that would be the 5th coincidence and the 8th wonder of the world if he were to speak more often, and maybe a lot of people would like that. The only question is, my reporter today went and asked Rahul Gandhi, Mr. Gandhi, what did you want to speak about? At the moment he heard my reporter ask what you wanted to speak about, he just ran away from the camera. He must know what he's talking about. He went away from the camera. He was asked that question. I can play the sequence.
He addressed the entire
he spoke. He spoke about the fact that he said something shallow. He said something shallow, like there is only one voice to be heard, and that is Narendra Modi, obviously. But when he was asked what did you want to speak about, he could not utter one word on the issue of communal violence, which means he came utterly unprepared. Did you hear Rahul Gandhi say one word today on the issue of communal violence? The subject on which he says he's so unnerved that he was not allowed to speak.
Today, Uttar Pradesh.
One word.
Uttar Pradesh at the moment.
One word.
Dangerous.
Was there one word he uttered?
Why should he speak?
One word he uttered.
Rahul, if there are 600 incidents, small incidents of communal violence, it could escalate into something extremely, frightening.
Well,
and the BJP as a government is silent. What does it tell you?
Gentlemen,
what does it tell you? I think the writing is on the wall. People of India know that there is a risky situation, and Mr. Gandhi has brought it to the fore.
One second. Last word to Aarti Jairat.
Yeah, no, it's not a palace coup. Arnab, a palace coup would suggest that Priyanka wants to throw Sonia and Rahul out. And I completely agree with your Congress source who says that Priyanka Gandhi will come in only and only if the mother decides that she has to come in. So I think Arun Jaitley had it wrong. It's not a palace coup.
Absolutely.
But yes, Rahul Gandhi is under very serious pressure, and today he had to perform.
No. If there is a
palace, it is not just the family. There may be some persons close to family also.
No. If it's a soap opera, if it's a soap opera in the Congress party, they can keep it within the ICC, not drag it to Parliament. Ladies and gentlemen, those are the pictures of the day. A poster on one side without Rahul Gandhi's picture, and Rahul Gandhi taking instructions from Sonia Gandhi and storming the well of the house on the other side. Is this a typical Rahul Gandhi knee-jerk reaction? Rahul Wakes Up is trending #1 nationally. Tell us what you think, and thank you for joining me on debate #1 on the News Hour tonight.